A couple of weeks ago I ended a video with a simple sentence. I choose to be here. Remember that? Perhaps in the intervening period you have increased the instances, you have increased the moments in which you have decided to yourself, I choose to be here. Now, you can never ever make that choice and put it into practice unless you're doing your morning meditation. Hold on for a minute though, let's pause for just a moment and give ourselves a little pat on the back, as the flow research says we must. You know that you have this choice to make. You know that when you're using your mind normally, you're mindless. Most mindless people don't even know they have that choice. So you're ahead of the curve. You're ahead of the curve. But coming back to the point that I was making a minute ago, you can't make this choice and put it into action unless you are in training, unless you are mentally fit. The training required is morning meditation. You can't make those choices to be in the moment during the course of the day if you're not doing your morning meditation. Not just because every morning's meditation sets you up for the day ahead, but because each morning's meditation, formal meditation, sit-down meditation before the day starts, ensures that you are constantly widening the arteries, so to speak, widening the neural pathways, widening the axons in the parts of the brain that you need your neural traffic to whiz down, so that moment to moment, not only do you know where you are because you've chosen to be present, you know what's going on, you know what to do, to the extent that it actually just happens. The decisions just fall into place. The decisions, of course, that you have to make, maybe even big ones, life ones, career ones, job ones, business ones, relationship ones. Those decisions aren't decisions anymore. They are obvious things that you need to do or need to move in a particular direction. When do you get to that point? When you choose again and again and again to be here. Key message from this: you need to meditate every single morning. And if you find yourself that you're mindless, so what? What matters is what happens next. If you forget or if you don't meditate 1 or 2 mornings, so what? What matters is that we keep pushing forward. We keep edging further along the journey, this great adventure of life. We keep encouraging ourselves, because the more we encourage ourselves, the more we'll eventually encourage ourselves without even having to make that choice at all. It will become, I was going to say second nature, but then again, we were all present and correct when we were very young. This is our natural state of mind. It's just that other layers of crap have been layered over it and you might have forgotten.